Now, you've noticed that these are two different equations for the same function. Well, I'm going to show you how these two different equations are actually the same. I'm going to start on the left. I'm going to rewrite this a little bit. This is going to be, I'm going to change this to 2 times 2 squared to the x plus 1 minus 3. And then we know with our properties of exponents that if you have a power raised to a power, then I can multiply those. So now I'm going to call this 2 times 2 to the 2x plus 2 minus 3. Now I'm going to do a little bit of trickery here. It's not really trickery when you see it. I'm going to call this 2 times 2 to the 2x times 2 squared minus 3. Now, what's happening here, you may recall that when you learn about properties of exponents, that if your bases are the same, you can add those exponents. Well, I'm sort of undoing that property, if you will. So I've got this exponent here. I've got a sum. So I just split that up and call that 2 to the 2x times 2 to the second power, which is what I have written there. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Now I actually have three bases of 2. This first one is going to have an exponent of 1. And now again, with our properties of exponents, when you're multiplying the bases, you can add those exponents. So then that becomes 2 to the 3 plus 2x, because I'm adding 1 plus 2x plus 2, so it becomes 3 plus 2x. And then I still have that minus 3. Now I'm going to show you how over here on the right-hand side I can get the same thing. So first, let's change that 1/2 to be 2 to the negative 1 power. And I'm also going to change the 4 to be 2 squared to the x plus 2 with that minus 3 out there. Same thing as before. I can distribute that 2. So I'm going to have 2 to the negative 1 times 2 to the 2x plus 4 minus 3. And then I can split this up, but I actually can go ahead and add these because I'm multiplying my bases and I can just add my exponents, but I'll split them up like I did earlier. So that becomes 2 to the negative 1 times 2 to the 2x times 2 to the 4. Because honestly, being able to split up your exponents like that is a useful skill that you'll see that in calculus if you take calculus. So that's going to be 2 to the 3 plus 2x minus 3. So you'll notice that these two functions are now identical, which of course are also equal to what we have up here. So all three of these functions are the same. We'll graph the exact same function. They're just written in different ways. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.